Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness after scrolling down. Now scroll down again, click on Font and apply the best one for you from the list of available ones. In my case, this one. Lastly, to save your new style, just hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!